I'm sorry, I'm forever gonna be a kid at heart, but all kidding aside, some of you folks out there in the shipping world may have seen or started noticing in the last maybe year, you're really getting hit for a lot more accessorials or additional charges that you may not have been familiar with. I talk to small shippers every single day, and one of the most common accessorial charges I'm seeing again is a single shipment fee. What the heck is a single shipment fee? When do they charge it, and why are they charging for that? So, to set the record straight, single shipment fee has been around for a long time. It's in just about every carrier's general rules tariff that will explain to you exactly what your pricing program is made of and how and why they can charge for these specific fees. The problem is you're probably only going to read into that once one of these fees hits your invoice. So a single shipment fee, to get back to that, is just that. It's when you as a shipper have a single shipment that you are tendering to that one carrier in one day. And that single shipment fee is assessed because that carrier has to come out with a driver and a truck and go ahead and make that pickup. So you may have noticed that as capacity's really gone gangbusters over the last year, these accessorials started coming into effect more and more because carriers are looking to get that additional revenue out of that run to your location to pick up just a single shipment. So if you want to protect yourself from that, know that it's out there. Know that it's an accessorial listed. You can select it. You can bring that charge into your rate quote, whether you're using a platform like MyCarrier or you're using the carrier's website. I wanted to make you aware of it. Stay tuned, keep looking for us. There's more videos, more educational tips and tricks to explain all the nuances of LTL. I'm gonna get back to playing around here because it's just too fun. Oh, I just started the claim.